right after you woke up today morning? Did you check your phone? Did you rush to brush? Or did you get ready to go out for a jog? All our life we have been doing definite things right after we wake up. This happens like a routine over and over again. And this has a fancy word called habits. In today's video, I'm going to summarize the book The Power of Habits written by Charles Duhigg. I'm going to talk about 3 ideas concentratedly, steps in developing a new habit, 1 golden rule to overcome all bad habits, and tips to follow when you're trying to form a new habit. Let's look into them one by one. Number 1, steps involved in developing a new habit. All habits are formed based on 3 R's: reminder, routine, and reward. For example, the reminder can be something like you get a notification on your phone, and the routine can be something like you immediately take your phone to check what notification you've got, and the reward is you get connected with your friends or you get the news article that you wanted to read at that time. So this is how habits are formed. Reminder is something that triggers the habit. Routine is actually the habit itself. Reward is the reward that you get or the pleasure that you get out of doing that habit. The second thing is 1 golden rule to overcome any bad habit in life. You remember the 3 R's, right? Reminder, routine, and reward. Keep the reminder as the same reminder. Keep the reward as the same reward, but you have to change the routine, and that is the golden rule. Let me explain this to you with an example. The reminder is boredom, and the routine is you open your social media apps and keep endlessly scrolling, and the reward is you get some temporary distraction. So have the same reminder, which is boredom, and have the same reward, which is temporary distraction. But the routine, instead of going and watching social media apps, you can change it to playing brain skill games. If you watch social media apps, you will think like you're just scrolling for 5 minutes, but then if you look at your time, it will be like 30 minutes. But if you try brain skill games or any activities like Sudoku games or any apps which gives you brain skill activities, after 5 to 10 minutes, your brain starts to get tired because you're overusing your brain, and you will also get temporary distraction. You will use your brain. The reminder and the reward is still the same, but the routine is changed. One important thing in order to overcome bad habits is willpower. Always have a very strong willpower that you will be able to do it. The third thing is tips to actually follow when starting out a new habit. I have put a video on Soundarya Talks a year back about how to develop life-changing habits in life and what are all tips you can follow along to develop permanent life-changing habits. I will put a link in the description, also in the card above. So do watch this video to know more. Thank you so much for watching Soundarya Talks today. And in next week, we are going to meet with an amazing book review again. Do subscribe to Soundarya Talks and see you all in an amazing video next week. Bye.